Earnings season isn't over yet. There's a couple hundred companies still reporting this week, including some big name companies that you're all going to want to follow. And many of them have great earnings track records. So let's dive right in and see who's on tap. First one is one that a lot of us do know, Baidu. I've been following this for a while, and as you can see, they haven't missed since 2014. That's why we keep following them. They had a big beat last quarter. Look at those big green arrows. That's the size, the magnitude of the beat. Of course, shares are down off those highs now in this pullback that we're having. But this is definitely one if you want to know what's going on over in China. This is the Google of China, so keep this on your radar. Then we're switching over to Groupon. We've been following this for many quarters as well because of its great track record. It hasn't missed either since 2014, and shares really out of the cellar there. You could have gotten a bargain on them in 2017 if you had some guts to dive in there. Shares, trying to look like they might want to break out here. We'll see if they can get there. Little bit of weakness as everything is now having in 2018, but Groupon is still around. Then we're going to have Cisco. Cisco kind of gets the shaft, but in 2017, those shareholders were having the last laugh as these shares finally broke out of this narrow range and were off to the races. Now they've pulled back, but great track record. Just very consistent on the beats with them. So maybe that's why a lot of people aren't really tuning in, but Cisco, you really should see what's going on. Then we're going to have another tech company, Applied Materials. A lot of eyes are going to be watching this one. The chart is crazy, like a lot of these semis are. Only the one miss back in 2013, but otherwise off to the races for the shares. Pullback on this pullback, but we'll see if this report can get a little momentum back. And then we're going to have a change of pace at the end here with Marriott International. I don't know if I've talked about this one in the past, but I should have. It only had that one miss in early 2014. And then the hotel and leisure and hospitality stocks were real hot in 2017, as you can see. Here, we've had the pullback, just like all of these stocks. Will this get a rebound here if it beats again? But great track record, a lot going on in the hotel industry. I know they just announced a new big development in Las Vegas that'll have 4,000 rooms. So this is one to watch if you want to know what's going on in hospitality and travel and leisure. So as you can see, all these charts look fantastic, and they all have great earnings track records with either perfect or maybe just one miss in the last 5 years. That's not easy to do. You can do a lot with the earnings, but to keep that kind of track record going over year after year after year is hard. So I'm going to be tuning into all these stocks and others that I found that also have some great track records this week. You want to tune in too. So be sure to watch all these videos this week and throughout earnings season as I bring you all the top earnings charts. Now, if you're interested in options, Dave Bartosiak over on Zacks Live Trader will bring you all of the options plays on many of these. So be sure to tune in over there. Between us, we'll cover both the regular earnings and the options plays, so don't miss it.